And the first thing my rich dad said to me, if you're going to be a rich man, you better learn two things right now. Be an entrepreneur. But he says you've got to learn how to sell. And secondly, you've got to know real estate. Because real estate is debt and taxes. What do you mean debt and taxes? So in 1974, I took my first real estate course and opened my eyes up, because you don't need money to buy real estate and you pay no taxes on top of it. So just before I get out of the Marine Corps, I get a job with Xerox, learn how to sell. So I got sales, and then I understood real estate. So why am I a rich man today? Because I took two courses, learn how to sell and learn about real estate. And my poor dad, the PhD, says, go back to school, get your MBA and get your PhD. Then I'd wind up like you.
We've both been wiped out. Yeah. And we know what it feels like. But if you have the attitude, it's the best thing that happens. Like me losing everything, wake-up call. Yeah. I've lost it several times. I've been sued by partners. My lawsuits from partners is the most expensive. I partner with the wrong people. Now the good news is, every bad partner leads to a good partner. Every one of my advisors, like Ken McElroy, Tom Wheelwright, my accountant, and all this, they all came because I had bad partners. It's kind of magical. Yeah. And the people who lose are people who do nothing because they don't want to fail, which they teach you in school. Yeah. I mean, how do you learn to walk if you don't fall down? How do you learn to ride a bicycle if you don't fall off? Right. How do you learn to get rich if you don't fall off?
So here's a penny, it's copper. And in 1964, I was looking at the quarters and dimes, same color. So basically, in 1964, dimes, quarters, and half dollars became copper. And that's what you were talking about, debasement. And I think we're paying the price for it, because I'm really glad you started with history, because macroeconomics is history. You have to look back in time. And every time people did this, first was the Chinese, they printed paper money, and the Chinese empire collapsed. And then when the Romans did the same thing, debased the currency, the Roman Empire collapsed. So when the IMF made that announcement, I was going, oh my God, thank God Raul's coming on. Because are we looking at the end of the American empire?
6 basic words to financial literacy and financial education. And the 6 words again are income, expense, asset, liability. And the last 2 words are the words cash flow. And that's why the game is called cash flow. And the secret to being rich is not a college education, but can you control cash flow?